Okay, TPOB gave us, made an upgrade of this hair clipper, and it seems to me like TPOB took the caviar of War Magic Clip and a War Senior, and then make this hair clipper. See that? So, this is Edo unboxing of fish. Welcome to another episode, man. All right. So I bought these two grips from Amazon US and this slime tool from TPOB. So we're gonna make an unboxing of this hair clipper also. And first of all, let's take a look. So this is the black one. And it's like this, as you can see. This is the bigger one. And this is the green one. If you want to buy any of these TPOB stuffs, grip or clippers, I'm gonna leave a link on the description below where you can buy it there on Amazon and also on TPOB website. So, and now we're gonna unbox this one. TPOB slime tool, and this is the splat, the black one. Okay, and this is the box. Okay, as you can see, and it came like this. The back side, it's rating got 3 hours runtime, exo graphite blade. It's a rotary motor. On the back side, got 6,800 RPM. Comes complete with a charging base and a 6-length grain magnetic guard. Okay. And this is the back side. Okay, now let's open. It comes like this. The clipper, I already took it out and so, charging cable, and it's not a USB-C. Comes with a 6 magnetic guard. And really a strong magnet. This is it. Okay. The manual. Oil and little brush. Charging dock, which is good. Okay. And this is it. And this is the guard. Okay. It is very, very strong. Yeah. This is charging port. Okay. It comes with a hanging hook. And a power button. The lever. And it comes with a clicking lever. 5 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clicks. Okay. And the back side. Front. Comes with a TPOB exo blade. In the range. And it comes with a thin cutter blade, as you can see. here's the TPOB logo. You can't really see it good, but it's there. On the back side, no logo or something like that. This is the grooves that I like. So now sound check. Very strong magnet. With lever open and now lever closed. As you can see, this is how much I zero gap my clipper. See that? I just put a grip on this one now, which is good. Yeah. See? It's so this is a lightweight hair clipper, just like Wall Magic Clip, and got the power of Wall Senior, which is the combination of both, you know, light like Magic Clip and the power like Senior. And for me, this one is better than Wall Magic Clip or Wall Senior, simply because number one, the runtime of this hair clipper is more than any of Wall clippers, you know. And this one comes with a clicker lever, as you can see, 5 clicking lever, and the blade is a lot much more better than the one of Wall. Okay, as you can see, and it comes with a charging dock. So what else do you need? And it's really cheap, really cheap. It cuts through everything, through bulk, everything. So it's a good hair clipper. And that's it for the unboxing of this TPOB Slime 2. And peace, man. All right.